In this video, I'll show you how to use the ConnectSafely integration with Zapier, so you can take your LinkedIn outbound campaigns to the next level. To get started, go to Docs. Once you open it, you'll land on our documentation page. From the left sidebar, select Integrations and then click on Zapier integration. On that page, you'll see an Invite button. Click it, and Zapier will open automatically. Just accept the invitation, and you're ready to use all of our Zapier actions. Now let's create a new Zap. I've already accepted the invite, so I'll jump straight into Zapier. In the app search bar, type ConnectSafely. You'll see it appear instantly. From here, you can choose from a variety of events, like checking relationship status, checking status for a specific account, and many more. All of these are explained in detail in our documentation. Next, connect your ConnectSafely account. I already have one connected, but you can add or switch accounts anytime. If this is your first time, Zapier will ask for your API key. Enter it, and you're all set. Now you can start building powerful automations with ConnectSafely inside your Zaps. Thank you for watching.